What's up, everybody? Good morning. Happy Saturday to you. Catching up for Friday here. Just got off the night shift. The market was down on Friday, and it looks like we didn't have any activity, but it looks like we missed a sell here on Celanese, ticker symbol CE. So I want to get that updated on the spreadsheet. It happened on January the 14th. This night shift is messing my stock trading all up, but I'm still able to do it, and now I have an additional income. So charity progress has accelerated, along with maybe a little bit for me too, right? Having a little proud moment here. 9.63% was the increase of the charity in January. That's a phenomenal month, and I'm excited. I got a long ways to go, but to see a little progress is pretty awesome. So 1356 for January. We fell short of our goal, but pretty close, and we're only one good month away from totally tearing it up. And we don't know what our dividends were. We held a lot of stock through that period. Look for that video to come out probably next weekend. It takes a few business days for them to send statements out. Typically, I get this one pretty quick. The main account and accounts I have a lot of activity in takes a little longer, but as soon as I have it and have some time, I'm happy to do that video for y'all. So you can see here, these are the positions we have, and the market is down, and we have $836.07. So next part of the trading plan, we need to come here to the screener and take a look at stocks that we already have. We're going to prioritize those over universe stocks, over anything else, because we want to use math as the market advantage. And you can see here, EIX still here on the screener. We just want to double check it, make sure everything still fits the system. You can see the dividends, the advertisements, check. The debt is high, but it's under 4. That's our limits. So 54 on EIX is just fine with me. And it's Saturday, but this is when I get a chance to look at the markets. So I'm still going to put orders in just like normal. What's Monday going to be? Because that's when the order will go in. Today's Saturday, I believe. So we'll put it in for the 3rd. Because that's the trading day it will go in. But it doesn't matter. If you put today's date, it's fine. Yesterday's date. Hopefully you did it yesterday, right? And you're following the plan. But of course, that is solely up to you. And remember, have your own plan and have it written down. You can't just blindly follow me, but I think it's a good place to get started and familiarize yourself with simple strategies that make money over time. That's the whole goal, right? So we're going to buy 1. We've got all of our day trades, so we're going to go ahead and do the first triggers the second. And we're trying to sell actually 4 shares now. So we got to do a little math. Don't be intimidated. It's fine. 54 was the closing print. Always a limit order. Good till cancel with extended hours always. And let's get our sell price. So what I'm going to do is add these up and divide by 4 since we have 4 shares. If we had 20 shares, we divide by 20, but we don't. We got 4. So add that up, divide by 4 to get my average. Then I'm going to take that number times 1.01. Do the math for yourself. Pause the video if you need to. I'm wiped, so I'm going to just type it in. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And that's that. We're getting a lot of new people coming into as well. So if you're new, we started this account with $200 and every trade shown. It's not meant for you to follow me. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You have to make your own financial decisions. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, what's worked for me, because I think there's value there and maybe a little entertainment. So back to the screener. Next step, we're looking for stocks in our universe. Even though you may know UPS and some of those, none of these are in my universe. We've traded several of these many times, but they're not in my universe. So next step of my plan is to start at the top. Let's take a look. Let's go through and see what we can get into. Remember, I'm trying to keep 1% of the account as the position sizing and go until the money is all gone. You see a dividend EST problem here. We want a number there, not a dash. Comcast, I saw, is doing a spinoff, so I had a little FOMO. I always keep 3 spinoffs in my main account for tax hedging somewhat, but they've got one coming up, so that's exciting. Got dividends. Debt is high, but it's under 4, and the PEs are well under 15, so 33.66. CMCSA. And our account is about $1,600. So the 1% of that would be $16. I don't do partial shares on this particular account. There's nothing evil about them. It just doesn't fit the way we do our orders. So that's that. So just like we did with the other one, I'm trying to buy one. And we're going to go ahead and first triggers a second, get our round trip order in. So that way maybe this buys and sells while we're sleeping, doing other stuff. You can really leverage your time if we only get one life, but successful people, they leverage their time. They're just more efficient. They get more done. That's just the facts. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours, 33.66. That's an easy one. Pause the video if you need to. Spoiler alert. I'm tired. We're going to get this on. Just trying to make 33 cents. Just one little bitty percent. And you would be amazed how many broke people tell me that's not enough when they don't have anything. But that's the way I do things, and it works just fine for me. Y'all can do whatever you want. Everybody wants the 100% gain or the 1,000%, or they want the, the big gains. But I like to take mine in small bites just very frequently with a very high win rate. So it fits my personality. What a horrible chart. But we got dividends. Debt's low. Nice. And PEs are reasonable. Here we go. MUR 26.63. I don't let my emotions get in the way of my trading. Just follow my trading plan. So people see a chart like that that's going straight down. There's not even a wiggle up, and they just can't. They can't buy it. They physically can't do it. And it bothers me none. I've done this thousands of times, and I've got 100% conviction. First triggers a second. This will be number 3 for us. So this will be the last day trade of the session. Should anything else from the screener fall in, 26.63, I believe that's what we put in. So pause the video, do this math for yourself. This one's an easy one, even for my tired eyes. Limit order, always good till cancel with the extended hours. and then this order will just take care of itself. So I do a little bit of work and just let the computer take care of the rest. And then as we do deposits into investing, that is pure passive income. So trading stocks is not passive income. It's very active income, but it's a good way to turn a little bit of money into a little bit more money so that you can invest more. Because most people don't make enough out of their check to really move the needle in investing. Maybe able to pinch pennies and end up with a couple $1,000,000, but that's a lot of dedication and discipline. Most people just can't do it. PEs are too high here immediately, so we just move right along, which is kind of weird, but we have traded Polaris many of a times. Acting Corp, PEs are too high. So when you see some of these companies that have stock charts that go straight down, remember to look at the PEs because a lot of them are still, in my opinion, overpriced. I think this one fits, doesn't it? So dividends, debt is high, but it's under our limits. 16.92. I'm tired, so I'm just going to type it in. Plus 12.65, which is the PE and the 4P. We're good, just barely. So we'll take UPS at 114.23. You can see even all-time highs, all the crazy stuff. We can still find some opportunities, but we're picky, you know. Still able to get a lot of money into the markets. A lot of you will also be freaking out that we're using our potential day trades on these little ones when we're taking this big one here. But it doesn't matter to me. I just follow it. I got other stuff to do. And if you don't, maybe you should do some more stuff. Stock trading is way more efficient with more income. Limit order, good to cancel with extended hours. I know it's trading lower or it's currently at a lower price. I use the closing print. It's the same for me as it is for you. And who knows what happens when we get after hours trading on Sunday. So let's take a little recap here. We're down to $600, still a fair amount in cash, and we should get to see some more Christmas trees with this update. There we go. And running a nice little portfolio. It's a really proud moment for me. From where we started this public account, it's gone quite a long way. So thank y'all for watching. Leave me a like on your way out. Make sure you are subscribed and share this with your friends. $10 a week is what this account is on deposits. And you can see this coming month and hopefully every month going forward or close to it. I'm actually going to be pulling money out of the investment account. So I'm excited to share those statement videos with you. Things are going well. It's finally cash flowing. So even though money goes in every week, there'll be money coming out every month. And eventually the withdrawals will be larger than the deposits. So I'm excited. It's working. So hope you all are doing well, making some money in the markets. And remember, you got to make your own decisions. I'm not telling you what to do here. But this is me, as real as it gets. 12-hour shift, 3-hour commute. Exhausted, getting it done, putting the time in, 10 minutes. No big deal. So it's important you make time for it. Have a great weekend. I'm back to the grind tonight. Got my lotto ticket. Good luck, everybody, on that front. And we'll try it all over again next week.